Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and I wish you to be at your best very soon, right? So now here we are with one more question that is based on the earthing in the domestic circuits concept. The question goes like this: earth wire is a safety measure in domestic circuit. Justify the statement explaining its role in accidental leakage of electrical appliances. Means unknowingly, accidentally, if a live wire comes in contact with the metal surfaces of any equipment, how the earth wire is going to be working as a safety measure in domestic circuit? That is the question, right? So when accidentally or unknowingly a live wire comes into contact with the metal surface of any equipment, what is going to happen there? Earth wire will work as a lowest resistance path for that current to pass into the ground. If earth wire is not there, what happens? That extra, when the person touches that equipment, he is going to be the lowest resistance path and the current will pass through the person's body to the ground. So there is a very high danger of the person who is going to touch the equipment to get electric shock. So it can be answered as, if a live wire, if a live wire inside an appliance comes into contact with the metal casing, the appliance can become live. Means the appliance will get the electricity, and if anyone touches the appliance, he also going to get electric shock. Appliance can become live, resulting into a severe risk of electric shock. Severe risk of electric shock. So what happens there? The earth wire provides a low resistance path. Earth wire provides the low resistance path for the current to pass directly to the ground. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video very soon.